role. Hi, this is Samir Khan, and I'm going to talk about AI and the specific role that the company should hire, which is a chief AI officer role. So first off, what is a chief AI officer? The chief AI officer is a C-level executive that is performing several different responsibilities in the organization. And this role is something that every company that are venturing into the AI space should hire, irrespective of the size. Now, obviously, if you're a smaller company, you cannot afford the pay of a C-level executive, then you need to start thinking about a fractional C-level executive role. So a fractional chief AI officer is going to be the right thing for you. Fortune 500 companies are already hiring this role because this role is so crucial for the next wave of AI. What are the waves of AI? The first three waves of AI are going to be, which is wave one, which is today where everyone is using off-the-shelf AI LLM models to accelerate productivity and efficiency in the organization. Wave two is when people are going to start building more and more products and services, and AI will be native as a part of those products and services. Wave three is going to be the ultimate wave where organizations will be driven by AI. So in order to drive this transformation, there are four key responsibilities of the chief AI officer to keep in mind. One is AI strategy. I see a lot of companies are hiring on LinkedIn, and they're hiring for statisticians, AI data scientists, AI engineer, prompt engineering, AI marketer. All of these roles are being hired. Even in medical roles, they're hiring medical AI practitioner and medical AI coders. What's interesting and what's missing out from this is they're not thinking about the strategic role that they need to hire before they start building the technical capabilities. And the strategic role is going to come in and drive this AI roadmap end to end. They're going to know the right type of people they need to hire, the right structure of the teams they need to build, the right product capabilities, technologies, the culture that they need to drive for this company to become a transformative AI-based company. The second is risk management. We all know there are inherent risks when deploying AI in your organization. Why? A lot of companies, especially in the small and medium space, they're using off-the-shelf AI models. These off-the-shelf AI models leverage the data that is out there, and anyone could have written or contributed to the creation of the data. Now your large language model is consuming it, which means that you're bringing in that external data and perspective that has potential to damage your reputation or cause issues within your organization between employees. So in order for you to manage this effectively, you need to make sure that you have the risk management plan. And in addition to that, the number three responsibility, which is the governance. You need a leader that comes into your organization and drives the right type of governance structure. So you have the right people, technology, data, practice in place in your organization. And last but not the least is innovation. This is where this chief AI officer role is going to take your company through the wave 1 to 2 and 3 and drive for the future. They're going to be the one that's going to be creating an innovative product and solution and driving that change in your organization. Now, there are two types of skill set that this type of person needs to have. First, they need to have a very strong business acumen. A lot of people think like, oh, okay, chief AI role means like a lot of technology and data science people, master's degree in data science. Yes, it's important for them to have a practical knowledge and in some cases degree of data science, but it's more important for them to be a business person, to understand how business works, how profitability works, or how business economic works, so they can develop these technologies, keeping in mind profitability. Additionally, they need to understand the right risk management and governance capabilities because there are a lot of threats when it comes to deploying off-the-shelf LLM models. So having not only just off-the-shelf capabilities, but also building LLM capabilities within the organization. So that's how the business and technical aspect are going to work together. Now, I'm going to warn you, if you are considering deploying AI in your company, start thinking about the strategic role, or you're going to be facing a lot of risk putting these technologies out there, and there will be consequences, as you may have heard in the news and stories talking about big companies facing these types of challenges when deploying the off-the-shelf AI technology. One last thing I want to do is I want to predict what's going to happen in the end of 2025. At the end of 2025, we're going to see more and more companies jump onto the bandwagon of hiring this type of role, either full-time or fractional. So start thinking about it and reach out if you need additional guidance in terms of how we start thinking about hiring the Chief AI Officer role. Again, this is Samir Khan from Solve with AI, and I look forward to connecting with you again.